Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to teach decimal multiplication. Let's take a look at our first example here. We have 7 times 0.5. How can we calculate this? The first step is we are going to turn 0.5 into 5 divided by 10. Okay? And now, in this case, we can calculate 7 times 5 first, and then use the result to divide by 10. Okay? So we have here 35 divided by 10, which equals to 3.5. That's the final result. But let's take a look. So we have here 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay? So, and we have 7 times 0.5 equals 3.5. Alright, so we got one digit on the right of the decimal, and we have one digit on the right of the decimal. Okay, so otherwise, if we remove the decimal here, we got 35, right? So think about it, think about this. And let's take a look at another example. So we have 0.6 times 0.21. Okay, so how can we do that? Quite similar. So first, we're gonna turn 0.6 into 6 divided by 10. Okay, and times 0.21 turns into 21 divided by 100. Okay, and now what we can do is we're gonna calculate 6 times 21 first, and then divide by 10, as here divide by 10, right? So, and divide by 100, here we got divide by 100. Okay, so now we have what? We have 126, that's from 6 times 21, right? And divide by 10, divide by 100, which it equals to 0.126. Okay, so let's take a look. We have 6 times 21 equals to 126. And we have here 0.6 times 0.21 equals 0.126. Okay, so if we remove the decimal, that means we won't have 0 here, and we have the number 126 and the number of 126, right? So they are the same. And again, we have one digit on the right of the decimal, 2 digits on the right of the decimal, and we have 3 digits on the right of the decimal. It's like 1 plus 2, so we have 3 here. So let's take a look. Remember the previous example that we experienced? And now let's take a look at the third one. Okay, again, remember this, we might find a pattern here. Okay, so now this time we have 1.36 times 0.325. Okay, so how can we calculate this? Again, we are going to do quite similar, the same. So we have 136 divided by 100. Okay, so that's 1.36 turns into this. And we have 325 divided by 1000. That's 0.325 turns into this. Okay, so again, we are going to do quite similar things, that we are going to calculate first 136 times 325, and then use it to divide by 100 here, right? So, and divide by 1000, so divide by 1000 here, right? So it equals to 4,200. Okay, divide by 100, divide by 1000, so it equals to 0.442. All right, so let's think about it before this. So we have two digits after the decimal, okay, on the right of the decimal, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 digits on the right of the decimal here. So totally we have what? How many? We have 5 digits on the right of the decimal. So what we're gonna do here is we first got this number as the result, right? And then divide by 100 and divide by 1000, right? So we totally gonna move here if we got the decimal here, and then we're gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We probably want to get the decimal here, right? So that's why we have 0.442 as the result, right? So let's take a look. So again, we have 136 times 325. We have this number. And then after that, we got what? We got 2 digits here. We got 3 digits here on the right. So we have, like, again, 5 digits on the right of the decimal altogether. So we are going to move 5 back, as I mentioned here, right? So that's why we'll have 0.442. Okay, so now we got the pattern. So you are able to calculate the decimal multiplication according to this pattern. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.